enjoy eating breakfast at restaurants like IHOP, Denny's, or the Waffle House. I also enjoy eating their food, but when you're on a limited budget, it's not always the best financial decision. So today, I'm going to teach you how to make restaurant quality meals without the restaurant price. First, I will show you the supplies you're going to need for the meal, most of which you already have in your kitchen. Then I will show you how to cook the meal, and lastly, I'm going to show you how you can customize the meal to fit your own personal taste. When I go to IHOP, one of my favorite things on the menu are the crepes. A meal of crepes costs around $7, but today I'm going to show you how to make that same meal more economically. Since I'm cooking for an audience of 6, I'm going to be making 12 crepes. The supplies you're going to need to make those crepes are 6 eggs, 3/4 cup milk or soy milk, 1/3 cup melted butter, a pinch of salt, and 1/4 cup flour. Well, I already have my supplies mixed to save time. But while you're mixing your supplies at home, you want to be preheating your stove or your pan on your stove so it'll be hot and ready to cook. Okay, now start cooking by taking your mixed batter. Well, first you want to spray your pan with a light cooking oil or spray. Then take your batter and pour on about 1/4 cup of batter to make a good sized crepe. You can make different sized crepes depending on how big you want them. Once you pour your batter, you want to put the lid on the pan to cook the crepe more quickly and to cut down on smoke. And once you've poured your batter, the next steps are pretty much just like cooking a pancake. You want to leave it in there for a few seconds till it begins to lightly brown on the bottom side. This one's not quite ready. You need to wait till it's ready or else you're going to have a lot of trouble when you flip it. Whenever you do flip it, you have to be very careful to flip the whole thing at once or you'll get black batter going everywhere. Now that you've flipped it, you want to leave it in and do the same thing on this side. It shouldn't take that long, and the bigger you do the crepe, the longer it is going to take. Once your crepe is successfully cooked, all that's left to do is add the toppings. You can add several different kinds of toppings, which can be sweet like pancake syrup or powdered sugar, or you can take a more adventurous take on it and do something like grilled chicken with spinach or mushrooms or cheese. I myself have a bit of a sweet tooth, so I love to put Nutella on my crepes. So what you want to do is just take a knife full of this, spread it across your crepe, and then all you need to do is take a fork. You can either fold your crepe or roll your crepe, which I like to do. And it's ready to eat. So now you've created a delicious restaurant quality meal without the price, and it was very cheap and very easy. I've showed you the supplies you will need and the technique to create this restaurant quality crepe at home. I encourage you to make them for all your friends and family because they will always come back for seconds.